Now our topic is motion along a straight line. The simplest type of motion is the motion along a straight line. We shall first learn to describe this by an example. Consider the motion of an object moving along a straight path. See, here it is the straight path. This is the origin. Moving along a straight path, the object starts its journey from O, which is treated as its reference point. Let A, B and C represent the positions of the object at different instants. See here, this is the reference point O, and then there is C, then it is B and it is A. Now on this it is given that kilometers. Now here at C the distance traveled is 25 kilometer. At B it is 35 kilometer. And at A it is 60 kilometer. Now see, let A, B and C represent the position of the object at different instants. At first, the object moves through C and B and reaches A. The object is moving through C, then B and then reaches at A. Then it moves back along some path and reaches C through B. Now after reaching at A, it comes back and it reaches at C passing through B. Now what is the distance traveled? The distance traveled from origin to C is 25 kilometer, then to B is 35 kilometer, then to A is 60 kilometer. Now it is going in backward direction. Now distance traveled will be the total path length covered by the object, means it will be OA plus then A to C, AC. OA plus AC. OA plus AC. Now it will be 60 plus 35. From 60 to 25. See here, it is 25. Then this distance is 60 minus 25. That is 35. Means the total distance traveled will be 60 plus 35. See here, the total path length covered by object is OA plus AC. That is 60 plus 35. It is 95 kilometer. This is the distance covered by the object. To describe distance, we need to specify only numerical value and not the direction of motion. There are certain quantities which are described by specifying only their numerical value. For example, distance depends only on the numerical value. But there is another thing, that is displacement. Displacement also depends upon the direction. The numerical value, see here, the numerical value of a physical quantity is its magnitude. When we talk about the distance, then it gives to be the numerical value, and this is only the magnitude. Magnitude is this 95. Then numerical value gives the magnitude. From this example, can you find out the distance of the final position C of the object from the initial position O? This difference will give you the numerical value of displacement. Now what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between the origin and the final position. Between the origin and the final position. What is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between origin and the final position. See here, O is the origin and the final position is C. Then when we talk about the displacement, then displacement is only 25 kilometer, that is O to C, because the shortest distance between O and C is 25. Now see here, the shortest distance measured from initial to the final position of an object is known as displacement. Can the magnitude of displacement be equal to the distance traveled by object? Yes. The distance and displacement will be equal when their magnitude is equal, means the object is moving only in one direction.